Want full control over your travel, hotel, apartment, or car rental website? Meet Tourfic Elementor integration, the easiest way to design every part of your booking site your way. Start with Tourfic ready templates, or build your own from scratch. Every section is fully editable with Elementor. Change icons, labels, placeholders, layouts, and more. Switch from grid to list view with one click. Show or hide results, sidebars, in any section instantly. Add your own padding and margin to every block for the perfect look. And when you publish a new page, the old one turns off, automatically keeping your site clean and ready. Create site like Booking.com, Agoda. Get your guide in now on your fingertip. Just drag and build your travel website without having any coding knowledge. Tourfic Elementor integration design freely, build faster, and make your travel website stand out.